Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Edutech. Today we are watching questions and answers in our fifth chapter, When People Rebel, 1857 and After. Now I am starting my session. First question: what was the demand of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi that was refused by the British? Now we will watch this question's answer. Rani Lakshmibai wanted her adopted son to be the ruler of Jhansi after the death of her husband, but the British refused her plea. This question's answer we have watched here. Now we will take the second question. What did the British do to protect the interest of those who converted to Christianity? This question's answer we will watch. In 1850, the British passed a new law to make conversion to Christianity easier. This law allowed an Indian who had converted to Christianity to inherit the property his ancestors. Now we'll watch third question. What objection did the sepoys have to the new cartridges that they were asked to use? Now we'll watch this question answer. The new cartridges that the sepoys were asked to use were reported with the fat of cows and pigs. They had to bite the cartridges to load them into the refills, but this was completely against their hence they denied using the new cartridges. Now we'll watch the fourth question. How did the last Mughal emperor live the last years of his life? Now we'll watch this question's answer. Bahadur Shah Jafar was the last Mughal emperor. He lived a very pathetic life during the last year of his life. The sepoys proclaimed him as their leader in their fight against the British. He was the symbolic head of the 1857 revolt. However, after the failure of the revolt, he was tried in the court and was sentenced to life imprisonment. His sons and grandsons were shot dead by the British. He and his wife were sent to prison in Rangoon, where he died in 1862. Now, we have watched these four questions. After that, let us discuss some questions we will watch here. The fifth question: what could be the reasons for the confidence of British rulers about their position in India before May 1857? Now we'll watch this question's answer. Before May 1857, British were confident about their position in India because of the following reasons. After the death of Aurangzeb, Mughal emperors held only symbolic value. Therefore, it was easier for the British to annex the territories ruled by the Mughals. Most of the kings and the Nawabs under the British rule, the presence of British residents in the courts eroded their authority and reduced their freedom to administrate their kingdoms. Various kingdoms were forced to disband their armies and enter into the subsidiary alliance system with the British. Under this system, to the responsibility of protection the kingdoms against any external attacks. This type of control helped the British annex annex territories on after British only dominate all the Indian subcontinent. So now we will watch the fifth question's answer, and now we will take sixth question. What impact did Bahadur Shah Jafar's support to the rebellion have on the people and the ruling families? Now we will watch this question's answer. Though after the death of Aurangzeb, the empire began disintegrate, Mughal rulers still had their influence over small chiefs and rulers across the country, threatened by Nawabs, felt that they could rule again only under the Mughal authority. The revolt of 1857 started only when Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last ruler of Mughals, gave his permission. He wrote later various chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward and organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight the British, and so many large kingdoms, rulers and chieftains supported the revolt. Delhi, Kanpur, Awadh, the people also supported a revolt. Hence, Bahadur Shah Jafar's support to the rebellion had a widespread effect on the people and ruling families. Now we have watched the fifth question's answer, and now, sorry, we have watched the sixth question's answer. Now we will watch seventh question. How did the British succeed in securing the submission of the rebel landowners of Awadh? Now we will watch this question's answer. The British succeeded in securing the submission of rebel landowners of Awadh through the following measures. They tried to win back the loyalty of the people by allowing the royal landowners to enjoy traditional rights over land. Those landowners who had rebelled were assured of their safety and rights over land if they had not killed any white man. So, the last question we will watch here now, and now I am starting this question. In what ways did the British change their policies as a result of the rebellion of 1857? Now we'll watch this question's answer. As a result of the rebellion of the 1857, the British changed their policies in the following ways. The powers of the East India Company transferred to the British Crown ensure more responsible management of Indian affairs. The Governor General give the title of Viceroy, that is personal representative of Crown, after the doctrine of lapse policy was abolished, thereby allowing rulers to pass on their kingdoms to adopted son after then they increased the British soldiers and decreased the Indian army. The British decided to respect the customary religious of social practices of the people in India. So we have watched the 8 questions answer here, and now I'm stopped my question answer um, debate, and so I have completed my session. Namaste.